If you're one of the 300 million people who suffer from depression, there's good news. Meditation can help. In this video, I'm going to show you how and why to use meditation for depression, and I'll share my favorite meditation technique for helping with depression. Now, I've suffered from depression myself many years ago, and I use meditation to help myself out, so I'm going to share my personal insights as well. So here's the good news. If you've never meditated before, within a few days of meditating, you are going to notice some massive health benefits. They're going to improve your overall well-being, and they're also going to help with depression. There are actually more than 100 benefits of meditating, including the fact that meditation stops anxiety and stress, and yes, depression. It also helps with many of the symptoms of depression. For instance, meditation will help you to get to sleep at night. It'll give you a good quality sleep. Meditation will also stop negative thoughts. Meditation will also improve the oxygen flow around your body, which restores your overall well-being. It'll improve self-confidence. I could go on. Point is, there are so many health benefits of meditating, and meditation massively helps with depression. Science has proven this. Actually, in one study by the British Lancet Journal, Medical Lancet Journal, they took 424 adults who had had depression, and they tested the effects of medicine against meditation. And what they found was that meditation is as effective as medication. And of course, it doesn't have those side effects that your medication has. So that's why experts are recommending now that everyone start using meditation as an alternative therapy for depression. Now, I'm not saying that you should stop taking your medication. Obviously, that's between you and your doctor. But meditation can be a very beneficial bonus, a very beneficial alternative therapy to add. So why exactly does meditation help with depression? Well, that's a really good question that essentially has one key answer. When you meditate, you get out of your head and you get into the world. And that's the core way in which meditation helps with depression. So let's consider that. Your depression, it usually involves mental phenomena. It includes negative thoughts. You know, people with depression think very negatively. They might have constant thoughts going through their minds about how they feel about themselves. Perhaps they feel worthless or etc. They also have mental phenomena that create physical sensations. The stress that you feel in your mind directly translates to your body. It can cause tension and pains. So with depression, it's all beginning in your mind. What meditation does is it calms the mind and it gives you a break away from all those thoughts and away from those feelings. For instance, some meditation techniques like the Buddhist technique of vipassana are about monitoring your thoughts. So you're looking at your thoughts from further afield. You're being conscious of your thoughts. And that can help you to notice that you are not your thoughts. You are not that negativity. That negativity, that depression, those negative thoughts, they're taking place within your mind, but you don't have to live with them. You can step out of your mind. I consider it to be like stepping out of a wild ocean. If you imagine being lost in the waves of the ocean, and then you step out and you just calmly sit on the beach. It's that kind of difference, stepping out of the mind and just calmly observing what's going on. So because meditation takes you out of your negative thoughts and out of your negative feelings, it gives you a break from all that suffering that's going on in your mind. You step out of that. It's almost as though you escape that mental state. So as I promised, guys, I said I would share my personal favorite meditation techniques for helping you with depression. So what is the best meditation technique that you can use today to help yourself with depression? Well, if you're new to meditation, then you should start from the very beginnings, especially if you do have depression or any other kind of negative state. If you have anxiety or stress, you're definitely going to want to start very gently and very easily. So that's why the best thing to do is to just focus on your breath. Now, you're best to do this somewhere calm, somewhere relaxing. Don't do it at work. Don't do it when there's other people around you. Meditate somewhere that you feel is very peaceful, it's very calm. I like to meditate atop of the escarpment here in Hamilton because it's got a beautiful view. You might like to meditate by the lake or by the sea, or just meditate somewhere that you feel personally safe, calm, and relaxed. Once you're there, I'd like you to sit in cosmic mudra, which is you're going to sit in a normal state with good posture, and then place your hands in this way. Put your one hand out with the palm up, the other hand below it with the palm up. Place your thumbs together, and then place them in your lap with the thumbs pointing upwards. So it's like this. Then close your eyes and draw your breath through your nose. At first, if you're feeling stressed or depressed, your breath is going to be very short. And that's one of the problems with depression. It makes you breathe more shallowly, and that has negative effects on your overall well-being. So focus on your breath moving through your nose. And imagine that breath going more deeply down your body into your abdomen. As you do this, your breath will gradually become more relaxed and you'll breathe more deeply. Now, once you are breathing deeply, imagine that you're bringing fresh energy into your body and into your mind. You might like to imagine it as white light. It's a white light that enters with your breath on the inhalation. And then when you exhale, imagine that negativity or that old energy leaving your body and leaving your mind. You're releasing it. So you breathe in fresh energy deep into your body, bringing that white light in, and then you release negativity out into the world. Now you can pause this video here to do this meditation now or do it later. Either way, I'd like you to aim to take 108 breaths in that way that we just discussed. Now, this is going to relax your mind, relax your body. It's going to improve the oxygen flow through your body. And by the end, you're going to feel more relaxed and calmer. However, some people may experience negative thoughts and feelings as a result of this. Most people will be relaxed. However, there is the possibility that thoughts or memories will arise. If that happens, and it probably won't, but if it does, I'd like you to stop meditating and just relax. You can try the meditation again later, but if that happens and if you're not comfortable, please stop and just relax. So that's my personal favorite meditation technique for helping with depression. This helped me to overcome intense stress at a really bad time in my life. I hope it helps you too, but I'd like to share just a few more options, a few more meditations that you can use to help relax your mind and feel much, much better. So first of all, oh, and by the way, you can find these meditation techniques on our channel, The Daily Meditation. So the 5 techniques that you might like to use are the Buddhist technique of Anapanasati, which is a breathing technique, Smiling Buddha technique, which is basically meditating while smiling, Zen walking meditation, mindfulness, and visualization. And I'm going to have videos for all of those on my channel. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Remember to like and subscribe, and thank you for your support.